The West Virginia Department of Education held its 4th annual Culineering Challenge here at Ogilvie Resort. This year's challenge is all about creativity and teamwork and innovation, and you were tasked with a big challenge. You are having to construct a golf hole with one of the West Virginia tourism regions. So that's huge, while also infusing a cake with a tea flavor. Your team should be made up of 2 culinary students, 2 engineering students, 1 builder student from any CTE program, and 1 social media student.
What it means for me, it's like a little fun, like social environment wise. Like I can talk to other people, see what they're doing. It's kind of like cool how there's like different like creative ways they're doing. This is like fun for everybody, for us to do, for everybody to just get creative or do whatever and have like teamwork.
I took an engineering class to learn the more in-depth version of how something can become a design to be built. So this is where I got most of my engineering stuff from. I've took this class for 2 years now, and I got a pretty good understanding for most of the stuff. But it's fun. In culinary, I've never been into culinary. I've cooked for 2 years though. But it's fun to see what they can do. They can work hard and they can make stuff, and it's cool.
It's inspiring, honestly. It's so inspiring. Like, I love to see children who truly hold a passion for what they do. And like, everyone here is amazing at what they do. I've seen these teams, they're so good. The desserts are flawless. Their culinary clearly has a passion. And the engineering is honestly so intelligent. It's just so inspiring to see people who truly know what they're doing and like to have fun with it. And just getting to see that is truly so amazing for all of us, really.
These students have produced an absolutely incredible number of masterpieces, incredibly professional work, and they've all cooperated very professionally as well. My experience working with them has given me a lot of enthusiasm for West Virginia education, for the students, and for the program. These are exactly the kind of students we want to hire out in the field.
It feels good to be a returning champion since I was on the team that won the first year of the Culineering Challenge. It's exciting to be in a competition like this where, you know, like with the Culineering Challenge, this is a fairly new challenge to the state, and, you know, we're kind of the pioneers of the early stages of this, and it's cool to be a part of this.